So we got a big Tuesday for sky watchers. We have the full sturgeon moon, which is also the most important part of this whole story, a supermoon. You've probably heard that term tossed around before. We've seen it many times before, and there will be many more going. And to understand what exactly that word means out of this, you got to get some basic science here. So that's the moon, that's the Earth. Wave, say hello, and that black ring that we've drawn here is the path the moon takes as it's revolving around the Earth. Most important tidbit out of this is that path is not a perfect circle. It's what we call an ellipse, which means at various times that moon is going to be farther away from Earth, or on Tuesday, in the case that we're talking about here, it's going to be a much shorter distance, and that can have some pretty big implications as to what the moon looks like to you and I here on planet Earth. Average full moon, it's roughly about 238,000 miles away, but on Tuesday, it's closer by about 16,000 miles. And like anything in life, as you get closer to an object, it tends to look a little bit bigger. And this is a rough correlation of that difference. In the center there, an average full moon. But when you get into Tuesday, you see we got a little bit more meat on the bone there, and it's also going to end up being a bit brighter. We could actually quantify that. It's about 14% bigger on Tuesday and 30% brighter. Can you actually notice the difference? Honestly, I have in the past. When you know it's a supermoon, you can actually kind of go, all right, I do think I see something a little different there. Now, that's all Tuesday. Later on this month, on the 30th, we have something even more special. It's another full moon. It's another supermoon, but it's on August 30th. So we had a full moon on August 1st and another one on August 30th. We call that a blue moon. Those are much rarer, 2 full moons in the same month. And not just 2 full moons, but 2 full supermoons in the same month. The next time that's going to end up happening won't be until January 31st of 2037. And that moon is actually a little bit closer. It's going to be even bigger and even brighter to end our month. Now you know. Hooray, science.